I don't know. Like when the man them bathe and powder they make a go. No.
Lift up my eyes to this, I'm blessed, oh man. With my two hands in the air as far as I can. Yeah.
Hi babies, Mstoofine here. Welcome back to my channel. So for today I will be doing 25 question tag. As I told you guys before, I wanted to do some talking videos with you guys, you know, so you guys can get to know me a little bit more. I know I did that tag when I like recently started YouTube, so I wanted to, you know, give you guys some more updates. My nose is running. Oh, by the way, I do have a tutorial on this look, which will be down in the description box if you guys are interested in checking it out. And I also made this wig by myself, and I also recorded that video, which is now on my YouTube channel, so it will also be linked down in the description box. So let's just get right into this tag. But before I start the tag, I recorded this video before and I didn't love it, so I decided to just recreate it. So hopefully it's as fun as the first time when I did it. So what's my full name? So literally everybody's supposed to know my government name. So it's Tashana Taylor. Current relationship status, of course I'm in a relationship. I have been in a relationship for 9 years, almost 10. How tall am I? I am 5'6". 3 things you love. Okay, aside from my family, because you know that's a given. I love my daughter so much. I don't think I love anybody else as much as I love her. But aside from that, I love makeup. I love to watch TV. Like I'm a TV head. My friend said the next thing that's going to happen is that my head is going to shape like a TV, because I love to watch TV. And one other thing that I love, food. I guess you could say food. 3 things that makes me happy. Is it random 3 things or family 3 things? Okay, 3 things that makes me happy. It doesn't take much for me to be happy. Like, I don't know how to answer this question. I guess my family and my baby makes me really happy. Like I'm in such a happy place, a happy space. Watching reality shows makes me happy. Like I'm so relaxed, you know, chill. Another thing that makes me happy, like taking a drive out to the country. I'm just going to just say some random stuff because I don't know how to answer this question. You know, going down to the country, so that's sweet, right? Yeah. And once my belly is full, I'm automatically happy, right? I mean everybody. So celebrity crush or crushes, like, should I answer this because you would have already known, right? Nikki could get it. Like she could call me up now and be like, Mstoofine, I'm ready. I'ma just, if I have to jump on a bus or jump on a taxi, I'm gonna make it. Zins, have another crush? Okay, that's the only crush for now. Turn on. I don't know. Like when the man them bathe and powder they make a go. No. Turn on, like I like to be kissed on my neck. Is that what's classified as a turn on? Yeah, that turned me on. I like, I don't know, somebody like intelligent men, like, you know, like when you hear somebody talk good, I don't know, it's just such a turn on. Like when them sound super intelligent. I love men that smells really good. Like that is such a turn on. Scary movie or happy ending? Listen, I hate scary movie. I hate scary movie. Like if I'm supposed to go on a date, on a movie date, well, any date of a crash because I'm the craziest person to watch movie with. So my answer is happy ending. Like I love to watch love movies. Like I don't know, I watch love movies and I cry all the time, but happy endings, like what's better than a happy ending? Favorite perfume, like, you know, to be honest with you, I don't really buy colognes. I really don't. I love Victoria's Secret body sprays. I guess that's what's in my budget. But my favorite perfume scent is the DKNY. Can you cook? Yes, I can cook. I have been cooking since 12, yeah, I think 11, 12. I think my first time I cooked rice and peas. The rice and peas was so sweet, but I will share that story another time. Do you miss anyone right now? Yes, I do. I miss my brother. I miss my brother so much. Like, I only have one brother and he's away. Like, he used to be here a lot of times, so we used to hang like a lot, so I miss him. And you know, I also miss hanging out with my best friend. You know, like, she would come over all the time, so you know, I think it's due for me to go and see her now, because since I have the baby, we haven't gotten a chance to hang out. You know, she have her son as well. So, oh, I didn't number the questions, but on to the next question. My zodiac sign, it's Virgo. Why did I act like I forget my zodiac sign? My zodiac sign is Virgo. How am I feeling right now? I'm a little bit tired. Yeah, I'm tired, but as I said, I'm in a happy space. So, you know, like, it's such a good feeling. But aside from that, I'm really exhausted from work and being a mom. My favorite movie or movies, okay, let's go with movies, because I love a lot of shows. Like, Enough is one of my top favorite shows. Like, I can sit down and talk that movie. I also love A Walk to Remember. So you see, happy endings. Well, the ending was not so happy, but it was a good movie. I like Glitter with Mariah Carey. At one point, Mariah Carey was my favorite artist, you know. Which other movie I love? There's another movie that I love to watch. I like Colombiana. Yeah, I have enough movie, but those are my top favorite song or songs. Okay, so for right now, my friend put me onto this song. It's called The Best Part. So I think I want to play that song right now. Listen to the song.
I just wanna see, I just wanna see how beautiful you are.
Yeah, so that's one of my favorite songs right now. And any Nicki song, I'm a favorite song. Cool? Yeah, any Nicki song, I'm a favorite song. I'm not a biased thing. Any Nicki song, I'm a favorite song. So, 3 things that gets me upset. One, as I said, I'm first get ready with get to know me tag. Don't tell no lie on me. Like, if you don't want to see the rat, don't tell a lie on me. So that's one thing that gets me upset when somebody lie on me. Another thing that gets me upset, like when my ear curl, don't do this in my ear. Don't put it under my ear when they see my ear curl. Like, I don't know why people always feel like they need to do that. Like, do not put your hand in my hair when it's curled. Okay? And another thing that gets me upset, I can't think of something right now. I can't think of nothing. Another thing gets me upset, I don't know, like, babe feel like say anything I have him need for take it and eat it. It's not yours, it's mine. So, but that a joke upset things. I know I can only come up with 2 things that gets me really, really upset. If I remember anything else, I will say it. My favorite food, corned beef and rice. Like, when I see nothing better than corned beef and rice. I love turkey neck. I love turkey neck. Like, when I share out my dinner, I would have this small portion of food, and then this big portion of turkey neck. Like, when if I have enough turkey neck in my plate. Oh, another thing that gets me upset, like when I go to a restaurant, I can't chew my bone. I'm very upset. No, I'm rocky behavior. We need a restaurant where we can go around at one part and eat my bone. Not if I can chew my bone. That get me upset. So, turn off. Like, if your mouth stink, Jesus, like, that is such a, that's the biggest turn off for me. Like, nothing attack that stinking mouth. No. Bad breath. Yeah, bad breath. Computer or television? television, because I can watch anything on the computer on the television. So television, as I said, I'm a TV head, so I can sit inside literally all day, put on my phone, locked out from the world, and just watch TV all day, and I'm having mad fun. So yeah. When was the last time I cried? The other night when my tummy was hurting me so bad. Yeah. Do you speak any other language? Patois? Listen, I don't have no other language. I don't have any other language. Like honestly, I did Spanish and French in high school. I think grade 8 and grade 9 because I had to. And well, grade 7 I did Spanish. 8 and 9 I did French and Spanish. I fail every test, like so I guess the next language is Patois. Aside from that, no. My favorite TV show, should I list all my favorites? Because I don't have a favorite. I literally love everything, but one of my favorite shows of all time, Gossip Girl and Desperate Housewives. Jeez, I'm not too sure. Whatever other TV, oh, I love Keeping Up with the Kardashians. I love all of the real housewives. Listen, I'm telling you, I want TV head. I love everything on TV. Everything, literally. So yeah. Any questions you'd like? Oh, I guess them saying if no one asks myself question. No, ask me some question, no question, that's it done. So I guess it ended up being 24 questions. So I hope you guys did get to know me a little bit, and I hope this video was a little bit fun, you know, downtime, sit down and just hang and chat. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye babies. And don't forget to go and check out this look if you don't see it yet. One random thing about me, like, okay, so the first thing, it really funny. So wait, so for instance, I have this dress on, right? We're going to say it's a skirt, right? So when I'm taking off the skirt, I like to do this. Instead of bending down to pick it up, I like to kick it up and catch it. So that's one random thing. So I do that with my underwear, skirts, shorts, anything. I just love to kick it up instead of bending down to pick it up. So yeah, that's one random thing about me. And don't forget to go and check out this look if you don't see it yet.
Every morning I rise, I stare at the sun. I know it is